morning guys. Good morning sa ating lahat mga kababayan. Dito naman tayo sa sports mga kababayan. So yun nga po mga kababayan, New York Knicks 2026 NBA Champions mga kababayan. So yun, no? Ating kababayan si Jordan Clarkson ay nakatikim ng isang kampyonato, no? Dito sa New York Knicks mga kababayan. Kaya congratulations sa pumunuan ng New York Knicks, sa buong team ng New York Knicks, at sa buong at sa may-ari ng New York Knicks na sila nag-champion sa liga sa 2026 sa NBA champion mga kababayan. So matindi rin ang kanilang hirap bago makarating sa NBA Finals, no? Could you imagine mga kababayan ay ilang years, 53 years daw mga kababayan na hindi nakapag-champion. So sobrang tagal pala mga kababayan na hindi nakapag-champion ang New York Knicks. So talagang para sa kanila ang kampyonato mga kababayan, no? Kasi sa panahon ni Julius, ni Patrick Ewing, hindi naman sila nag-champions mga kababayan, pero nasa final sila pero hindi sila nag-champions mga kababayan. Pero itong 2026 ay talagang para sa kanila. Salamat sa kanilang management, saka may-ari ng New York Knicks at nag-provide sa lahat ng kanilang mga pangailangan mga kababayan. So tagumpay, no, ang New York Knicks sa 2026 NBA Champions mga kababayan. So congratulations sa buong team, sa team owners, at sa lahat-lahat mga kababayan, at sa ating kababayan si Jordan Clarkson mga kababayan, nakatikim ng isang championship sa NBA mga kababayan. Kasi sa Lakers naman hindi naman sila nag-champion, nasa finals lang, pero hindi rin sila nag-champion mga kababayan. So pakinggan natin ito. Ayan.
You were a basketball fan. Man, we just saw something pretty special, didn't we?
Pakinggan na natin ito mga kababayan, makaka-copyright tayo.
I know it is trophy time, but before that, can we acknowledge the great season and the great playoff run by the Western Conference champions, the San Antonio Spurs? But now it's all about these guys. And to present the Larry O'Brien Trophy to the 2026 NBA champions, here's NBA Commissioner Adam Silver.
Up. May commercial pa mga kababayan. Ayan, no.
Talagang nakaka-satisfy.
53 years.
So yun, tama nga tayo mga kababayan. 53 years. Golden years, ano mga kababayan.
Leon Rose, William Wesley, Coach Brown, and this incredible team.
Si Brown pala pa rin ang kanyang.
Congratulations. You're the 2026 NBA champion.
Congrats. Congrats, New York Knicks.
Ship number one. You know what? I think we should get to the finals, and I think we should win the finals. What did you see in this team in January that thought that you're going to be standing here on this night?
I saw a team. We were a team. We've been a team the whole time. But I want to say something to New York. Hey, New York, I'm sorry it took so long, but here we are, and hopefully it won't take that long again. Yeah!
So ayan mga kababayan, ano, napanood natin ang New York Knicks mga kababayan. So sa kanilang pag-champion sa NBA Finals mga kababayan. So pakinggan natin ulit.
Leon Rose, how much satisfaction do you get? How much satisfaction do you get out of seeing a team you pieced together bring it to this point?
It's really, there aren't really words you can put into what these guys have done, the character that they have, the fight they have, the grit they have, the never say die.
Hinebra yun ah.
Incredible.
Never say die.
Run that they've been
Ah,
You know, the guy behind you right here,
That's
Carl
Hinebra.
Anthony Jones, has said, you have instilled a family atmosphere. How did you do that?
just by caring about each other, just by caring about each other, and making sure that we all look out for one another, have each other's back, sacrifice, and do it for the better good.
Well done. Congratulations on a championship. Can I get the captain up here? Taylor?
sana wag tayo copyright mga kababayan, no? Yan lang, oh.
Soak it in.
Itong kanilang point guard, si Bronson.
You know how many Knicks have scored 40 in a finals
So,
game?
talagang team effort,
One. Now we're looking at
unity, cooperation ng bawat isa, pati sa coaching staff, sa players. So, they deserve, no?
I was gonna guess Rick Brunson, but probably not.
Hey, look, where does this knack for the comeback come from? What is it about this unit that allows you to do that time and time again?
I don't know. For some reason, I feel like the game for us starts 30 minutes later than it's supposed to. We didn't show up at 8:30. We showed up at 9 o'clock.
Can you express this with half of the city of New York here?
No.
I have a feeling I'm going to be talking to you again in just a second because it's where's the commissioner again? Are you here, Adam? The MVP. The
So, ayan mga kababayan, no? So, we are proud na kasapi si Jordan Clarkson, no? Sa New York Knicks, no? Pero bagamat hindi masyado sa nabigyan ng playing time sa NBA Finals, pero at least kasama pa rin siya sa team ng New York Knicks as NBA champion, mga kababayan. So congratulations sa buong team, sa team owner, sa lahat-lahat ng New York Knicks. Patuloy lang sa inyong pagkikipagdigma sa larangan ng basketball, no? So, maraming paghihirap, maraming dinaanan. At the end, ayun, nakita natin, nabigyan sila ng championship ulit within 53 years. Could you imagine, mga kababayan? 53 years hindi nakatikim ng championship hanggang playoff or finals, pero hindi nakaka-champion, mga kababayan. Kaya they deserve to win as a championship, as a NBA champions of 2026, mga kababayan. 53 years, 6 years old. No, 59 na ako ngayon. So, ibig sabihin, 6 years old ako na nag-champion sila, mga kababayan. So, muli, congratulations sa buong team ng New York Knicks. God bless us all sa inyo. At manatili sana kayong humble at tumawag kayo sa Panginoon. God bless us all. So, yan lang, mga kababayan, ng ating maliit na vlog para sa New York Knicks. Congratulations ulit sa New York Knicks, sa buong New York. God bless us all.